i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu D65EX-18 Bulldozer. This machine runs and operates and looks excellent. Be a great machine for all your serious dirt work operations. Does have the rear rippers with 3 shanks, full cab, factory AC and heat. Tons of power. Runs and operates great. I'm gonna let him operate it, and then when he gets done, we'll check out the motor and we'll check out the operator station. Reverse alarm. Does have the working rear view camera on it, factory Komatsu seat. Four-way blade. If you're in our local area, we do let folks dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. A couple of hills that big trucks run out this morning. Like I said, we let folks dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. No grass, trees, trash, or anything of that. So please just give us a call. We'll show you where to go. Unlock the gates. Phone number is 405-833-6437. As always, if you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you shouldn't be a big issue. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several callers. Nationwide broker can get back at the best hauling rate that comes back to us. We always welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine has so much power, it just knocks these truckloads of dirt out like nothing. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to share information about our consignment sales service with you. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready to work equipment and help you get your machinery sold. We're gonna let him climb out while we check out the undercarriage and the motor, and then we'll hop in that operator station and take a look around. Let's go ahead and climb up here. just being changed March 18th of 21. Does have dual brand new batteries in it. Full cab, good glass all the way around. Komatsu rubber format, Komatsu seat. What we got over here is throttle, gearing, directional. This is your safety lock here on the side. Does include the operator's manual there. Over here, you're going to find your ripper control. Also going to have blade control right there. I do believe that's a decelerator pedal. Currently sitting at only 37, almost 55, 37.55 hours. No lights, no issues. You can see the only lights on are no seatbelt being on, of course, because my seatbelt's not on. Parking, because we're, and then hydraulic lock, because I have the safety on lock. Windshield wipers, work lights. Let's check out this radio together. Just bear with me and I'll put it on a station I'm familiar with, and we'll verify that's working. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good working radio, factory radio. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video is beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.